Okay, this is the fourth video segment. I was hoping to do homework 11 in three segments, but it turns out that I have to do it in four. This is the last problem. So here's the situation. We have a hill as shown here, and after you read the problem, you notice that it says that if you look at this triangle, this angle is 32. This angle is 71, and this angle that you see over here is 62 degrees. Now notice that if this is 32, this is 32, which means the angle here, the angle between these two is 30 degrees. This angle is 30 degrees because 30 plus 32, this angle is 32 because these two lines are parallel. So this angle is 30 degrees. This angle between the red line is 30 degrees, okay? And what else do we know here? If you look at the, uh, uh, so we have a right triangle here, not the right triangle, we have a triangle like that. There's your P, there's the Q, this angle is 30, that distance you're told is 60 meters. 60 meters. And there's the balloon, the hot air balloon. Okay, so I'll call it B. Now, there's something that we have not used yet, and that's this 71-degree angle. Okay, so let's see if we can use this. Okay, so let's see now. If I looked at if I looked at this triangle, this continuation of that line here, see that? If you look at the continuation of this line, there we are. Okay. This angle, you see this angle, is 71 degrees. Okay, if that angle is 71 degrees, you can say, for example, let's see, if this is 71 degrees, you can figure out what this angle is, right? This angle is 100, this green one. In other words, yeah, this green one is 180 minus 71, which is 109. So this angle is 109, okay? And if you have that angle as 109, you have the angle here, which I'm going to draw as blue. This blue angle you have, because it's 32 plus 109, 32 plus 109. And if you take the 180 out of it, let me write it here, 180 out of it, you're going to get that blue angle. So this is going to be 180 minus 141. And this blue angle that you see here is going to be 39 degrees. This blue angle is 39 degrees. Now the blue angle is right here. This is the blue angle, right there. This is 39 degrees. 39 degrees. And if this is 39, then that angle is going to be 141 because they have to add up to 180. So now we have a triangle here. There may be other ways of doing this problem. I'm not saying this is the best way or this is the only way. So we can use the solve this triangle. So we have sine of 141 divided by the distance. Which one do we want? Distance of Q. Okay, we want actually distance of Q. So let's do it like that. Sine of 30 over the distance, this distance that you see here, which is BQ. This is what we are trying to find, or QB, distance from the point Q to the balloon. Okay, equal to. Now, what other thing we have the length here. This edge PQ we have, so we're going to put the 60 at the bottom, and the angle that's facing it. The angle that's facing it is right there. So it's going to be the sum of these two minus 180. So 180 minus 30 plus 141. And this is 171. And this angle is 9 degrees. It looks like that's 9 degrees. 9 degrees, not 90. This is 9 degrees. 9 degrees. So it looks like this is sine of 9. And we're going to get QB equal to 60 over sine of times sine of 30 over sine of 9. These are all degrees, okay? So, well, first of all, 60 times sine of 30 is 30, and divided by sine of 9. So let's go put it in the calculator. 30 divided by sine of 9 degrees, and you're going to get 191.77 meters. 191.77 meters. So this distance here is what we found, QB, and this is approximately 191.77. Is that what it was? 191.77. 191.77 meters. Look, I might have made a mistake. I don't think I did, but anyway, it is quite possible. So you know my approach, and you can do the calculation by yourself and see whether you come up with a different answer. If you do, come and tell me. Come and tell me, because I'll check my calculation. Either I'm wrong or you're wrong, one way or other. And if the answer or some of the answers, the answer of the odd number problems are probably in the book, so you may want to check it there too. All right, folks. Take care. Before I go, I want to remind you that word problems, you have to use your patience, your talents to be able to read the stuff and translate it into math. Okay, there are no magic ways of doing word problems. You have to be persistent. Sometimes the problem statement may be vague. Okay, well, talk to people, talk to me, etc. Sometimes it's maybe hard to translate into language of mathematics. Okay.